If you're over 60 and think a morning walk and a bit of protein are enough to keep you strong, I have to warn you. A hidden process inside your body could be breaking down your muscles right now, even if you feel fine. Now let me explain what's really happening. I'm Dr. David R. Collins, and I've spent decades helping older adults stay strong long after 60. I've seen too many good people lose strength not because of age, but because of misinformation. According to new findings published in The Lancet, our muscles start losing strength 3 times faster once certain nutrients drop below a specific threshold. So let's go through what causes this and the powerful, affordable foods that can turn it around. The number one food that scientists say can switch on your muscle-building genes, and the simple timing trick that makes your muscles rebuild even while you sleep. Now, when most people think about muscle-building foods, they picture chicken breasts, protein shakes, or maybe eggs. Almost no one thinks of sardines. And honestly, I didn't either. Not until I saw what the latest research revealed. Sardines are one of the most overlooked muscle foods on the planet, especially for adults over 60. Why? Because they deliver 3 rare nutrients your muscles desperately need, all in one bite. First, vitamin D3. You've probably heard of it for bone health, but here's what most people don't know. Vitamin D3 is also a key signal messenger between your brain and your muscles. When your levels drop, which happens naturally with age, your muscles stop responding properly to strength-building cues. That's why fatigue, weakness, or slower recovery can creep in, even if you're eating protein or exercising. Sardines are one of the richest natural sources of D3 you can find, even more potent than fortified milk. Next, omega-3 fatty acids. These help calm inflammation inside muscle fibers, allowing them to repair faster after everyday movement. Think of it like oiling a rusty hinge. Suddenly, everything moves smoother, stronger, easier. And finally, CoQ10, a nutrient that acts like a spark plug for your cells. It helps your mitochondria. The tiny power stations inside each muscle cell produce energy efficiently. Without enough CoQ10, your muscles simply tire faster and recover slower. And the best part? You don't need much. Just 2 servings a week, preferably packed in olive oil, can boost muscle recovery and energy within weeks. Now, I know sardines might not sound appetizing to everyone, but think of them as tiny power capsules. Nature's muscle multivitamin in a can. If you want to rebuild strength after 60, this is one of the simplest, most affordable places to start.